Okay students, before going to exercise 2.4, let us learn some rule of comparing the digits. Okay. Now as you can see here, I have written comparing numbers. How to compare the numbers? Let us learn how to compare the numbers with the given examples. For example, if there are two numbers, one is of 2 digit and another is of 3 digits. Okay. Then what you have to do? You have to simply write like this, means 243 is greater than 42. Why? Because the number in which is having 3 digit number is greater than the number having 2 digit numbers. Now let us come to question number 2. Compare 863 and 683. As you can see here, these both are 3 digit numbers. Okay. Now how to compare these numbers? First of all, in first case, you have to see the hundreds place of both the numbers. So in 863, in hundreds place 8 is there, and in 683, in hundreds place 6 is there. So 8 is greater than 6. So we can write 863 is greater than 683. Okay. Now let us come to next example, that is compare 493 and 421. So as you can see here, in hundreds place here is 4 as well as here is also 4. Now how to compare? As well as these both are in 3 digits. Okay. Now how to compare? Then we will see the tens place of both the numbers. In tens place 9 is there, and in this tens place 2 is there. So 9 is greater than 2. So we can write 493 is greater than 421. Now let us see question number 4. Compare 358 and 352. So these both are 3 digits number. In hundreds place both are having 3. In tens place also both are having 5. So what we have to do? We have to see the ones place. So in ones place it is 8 and it is 2. So since 8 is greater than 2, so we write 358 is greater than 352. As you can see here in the bracket, I have written compare the digit in ones place. Now last one, number 5. Compare 241 and 241. So in this you can see in hundreds place 2 is there, in tens place 4 is there in both the cases, and in ones place 1 is there in both the cases. So what we do? We write equal sign. We give equal sign for this. Okay. 241 is equal to 241. Now let us solve exercise 2.4. Okay students, now let us continue with exercise 2.4. Question number 1. Circle the number that is smallest and make a square around the largest number in each row. So this is called row, and what you have to do? You have to circle the smallest number, means smallest number you have to make a circle, and in the largest number you have to make a square. Now let us see examples. 321, 465, 218, 304, 116. So as I have told you how to compare the numbers, according to that you have to find which number is smallest and which number is largest. So as it is written, circle the number that is smallest. So let us find smallest number. So here you can see the smallest number will be 116, and I am making it circle. Okay. Because as you all can see here, in the hundreds place 3, 4, 2, 3, and again the smallest one is 1. So we are circling 116 as smallest number. Now we have to square the largest number. Let us see. As you can see here, in hundreds place it is 3, it is 4, it is 2, again it is 3. So the largest digit in hundreds place is 4. So we square this 465. In the same way, in this also, in this question you have to do the same thing. Let us try one more example. In this case, smallest number will be 168, because this in hundreds place the digit is 1, and in other places of 100 the digits are more than 1. So 168 will be the smallest 3-digit number in this row. Now we have to find the largest number. So let us see. 8, 6, 6, 8. So leave this 618 and 681 because we have two numbers, means two 8s are there in hundreds place. Now let us check tens place. This is 1 and this is 6. So this will be the largest because in tens place 6 is given. So we square this number. So in this way you have to complete all the questions given in question number 1. Now let us come to question number 2. Put greater than, smaller than or equals to sign in the blank box. So this is called greater than, this is smaller than, and this is equals to. Okay. Now let us solve these three questions. Here as you can see there are two numbers, one is 3-digit and other is 2-digit. So definitely 3-digit number will be greater. So 146 is greater than 86. Now come to this question. As you can see here in hundreds place, in both the cases 2 is there and both the numbers are 3-digit numbers. So let us see tens place. In tens place this is 8 and this is 0. So since 8 is greater than 0, so 285 becomes greater than 205. Now let us see this question. Third one. As you can see here, hundreds place are same in both the numbers. Tens place is also same in both the numbers. Now we have to compare ones place. As you can see it is 1 and it is 7. So 1 is less than 7. That means 181 is less than 187. Okay. Now let us come to question number 3. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. So first of all, we should know what is ascending order. What is the meaning of ascending order? The ascending order means from smaller to greater. Okay. So we have to find the smallest number first, then greater than that number, then greater than that number, and then greater than that number. In this way we have to solve ascending order. Now let us see which is the smallest number in all these numbers. Let us see. This is, we have to see the hundreds place first. So this is 1, this is 2, this is also 1, this is 4 and this is 4. So here you can see we can find two numbers which are having hundreds place. 1. Now let us see the tens place of those numbers. That means 162 and 126. So here tens place is 6 and in this number tens place is 2. So definitely this will become the smallest number of 3-digit. So we write 126 first. Then what we have to do? We will write 162. Then 214. Now these 412 and 421 are left. Now which is greater and which is smaller? As you can see here, hundreds place in both the cases the digit is 4. So it is better to check tens place. In tens place you can see 1 is there and here 2 is there. So this 400 will be smaller because 1 is smaller than 2. So we write here 412 and the greatest number will be 421. So student, in this way we can complete the numbers in ascending order. You have to use the rules which I have taught you before this exercise and then you can solve all these questions easily. Now let us go to question number 4. Okay students, now let us continue with question number 4. Arrange the numbers in descending order. So first of all we should know the meaning of descending order. It is the reverse of ascending order. That is, it is largest to smallest. Okay. Now let us solve this question. So we have to find the largest number and all the numbers are 3-digit numbers. Now according to rule, let us solve this question. In hundreds place 8 is there, here 2 is there, again 8, again 9, again 9. So the largest digit in hundreds place is 9, but you can see in this question there are two 9s, means 928 and 982. So in that case we will check the tens place. So in this you can see tens place is 2 and this is 8. So definitely 982 is greater than 928. So we write here 982 first, then 928. Okay. Now I have written these two numbers, so I am cutting it. Now let us check these three numbers. So as you can see in this also hundreds place 8 is there, and in this number also hundreds place 8 is there. Okay. So let us check tens place. This is 9 and this is 2. So 9 is greater than 2. So 892 is greater than 829. So we write here 892, then 829, and our smallest number will be 298. So in this way you can complete this descending order. I have made one question to explain you. Others question you have to make by your own in your book.